We are recording this video on 23rd of August 2022. I was scripting the webinar version of it. What can I give the best value to the audience? Say even if you came through the webinar. So that's what I'm going to extract over here, and I'm going to put a timer to it. How long this video is going to be recorded? The previous video that I recorded for you is going to be you're going to watch that video after this or before this, which was exactly named the same title. I want you to watch that as well, but you just have to change step-by-step framework to launch your level 1 basic course. This video is level 2 game plan course. Cool. Now this video is going to be extremely tactical, where I'm just going to share you the fill in the blank sort of a thing, where you just have to, I'm going to share you the framework. You have to fill in the blanks, script it out, record, edit, publish, launch, make money. Cool. You've got a lot of work to do, and I'm going to make this video very crisp, to the point. All the fill in the blanks for all 3 days, day 1, day 2, day 3, level, not the bonuses part of it, where we have the level 2 game plan level 2. Level 2 game plan, where we have 3-day course. I'm going to give you the framework of day 1, day 2, day 3, all in this one video. Cool. I'm going to put the timer over here. Stopwatch. 1, 2, 3. So we are going to talk about 3 days, day 1, day 2, day 3. Every day is going to have multiple phases. Day 1 is going to have 5 phases, day 2 is going to have 6 phases, day 3 is going to have 4 phases. Cool. It's going to have 4 phases. You just have to take notes. You have to pause after each sentence that I say and take a note of it, because I'm going to go very fast. There's not going to be any free PDF worksheets. You just have to do the work over here. Cool. So day number 1. Day number 1.0 is welcome to the Academy of Fund Scientists. So welcome to Dash. The videos are going to be video 1, onboarding call, video 2, a certificate that you give to them. Day 1.1, phase 2 is going to be the cool game plan. Video 1 is going to be, these are the videos. Video 1 is going to be the core sacred system of your community, rules of engagement of your community, guide map, route map, tactical calls, so that you can pitch them in the first day itself. Day 1.2 is going to be the name of day 1.2 is the dash behind dash. Video 1, dash step long-term game plan of dash foundations of dash. For example, it was 8 foundations of introvert entrepreneurship. So what can be that for you? Video 3 is going to be other parallel dash ways for dash pillars of dash. 4 videos. Day 1.3 is going to be how to become great at dash. For me, it was great at entrepreneurship. Video 1, how most dash phase dash secrets. 5 introvert entrepreneur secrets. So for you, what can that be? There were stages of becoming an expert in dash. Day 1.4, the work / assignment. So you can just rip it off. Day 1.5 is being the dash. For it was being the entrepreneur, introvert entrepreneur. Setting intentions dash daily routines. For me, it was introvert daily routine. So it can be a calligraphy painter, web designer daily routine. Third video is all about the wrap up. Well, this is going to be your day number 1. So there are day 1.0 is going to be the phase name, then the videos. Cool, like the lectures, like the chapter and the lectures. Day 2.0, day 2 game plan. Video 1 is going to be, you talk about the index part of it. What are you going to share? Cool. Day 2.1 is going to be what's and hows of dash. Video 1, dash core pillars of dash, in-depth secrets of where to dash, in-depth secrets of where to learn, where to post, what to do with those things. Day 2.2, diving into dash. For me, it was diving into superpower. Diving into dash. Video 1, solid ways of finding dash. Solid ways of finding dash. Video 2, dash stage dash for finding dash. Cool. 10 stages of superpower for finding websites. For example, I'm just making it up. Day 2.3, validating the dash theme name. Then we have video 1, secret formula, dash secret formula, any formula that you've got. I've got like secret formula with it. Day 2.4 is dash mistake this way, mistakes dash make. Mistakes introverts make, mistakes designers make, mistakes language teachers make, mistakes students make, mistake algebra students make. You can have that. Video 1, that was a theme line. Video 1, dash mistakes dash makes in dash journey, dash common mistakes dash make while creating dash extremely stupid mistakes dash makes while investing, or dash The three, any mistake that you have, you can put it over here. Day 2.5 is the dash of the dash. The art and science of an online business was the theme that I had. Video 1. Dash types of dash you can leverage. The dash method, the secret method. Dash steps to build an impactful dash. Done. Day 2.6 is going to be the wrap up. The wrap up plus index part of it. You can push the another levels, like this is what we are going to talk about the next day when you come up. So that was the wrap up of 2.6, 4 minutes. Now, day 3.0, the day 3 game plan. Again, the first video is all about the index part of it. You kind of share the index part of it. Day 3.1, everything you need to know in your dash journey. That is the theme line, not the video. That's the theme of the day, of the phase 3.1. Video 1. Dash secret pillars in your dash. Dash steps of building an dash from your dash, from your home, from your course app. Dash core steps before building dash. How dash model / method will help you scale dash. Dash top most things you need to have in your dash. Dash phases of explaining everything you need to know to launch your dash. Day 3.2, the dash checklist for dash journey. For me, it was the investment, the money, the budget part of it. Video 1, the outflow of cash in stages. It was for me. For you, the outflow of dash in stages. Dash metric to choose dash. Day 3.3, the crazy dash potential in dash journey. The theme name. The three videos that we have is dash ways to make dash, having dash, dash coolest and dash coolest dash management system. It was coolest money management system, cash flow management system. 3 is dash initial ways of generating dash. Day 3.4 is dash investments. Dash needs to learn. Introverts need to learn. For me, it was introverts need to learn. So we have 3 videos over here. Right time to invest in dash. What to invest and how much. The wrap up. Cool. This is your all 3 days. We finished that in 6 minutes. Just calculating the time. So this was one of the most fiercest and most brutal framework of it. So you can just keep on pausing it. You just have to do what? You just have to fill in the blanks. I've kind of shared you the course that I have, the core business game plan. I kind of extracted the whole framework of it. Exactly the videos I have, I kind of taken the framework, that dissected the whole structure of it and shared it with you. Now what you have to be doing is write everything down. 1, second, create points to it and create structure to it, create bullet points to it, record it, edit, publish it, launch it, start making money out of it. Because the whole concept of you doing, we doing, me doing, you doing, we all doing anything is like, how can we make that initial cash flow so that we can make money? When we can make money, we can do a lot of cool things. When we are stuck with lot of things, we are always stuck with it. This channel has got everything you need to know for free when it comes to course strategies, money making, money management, productivity, tracking, timeline, core strategies, productivity strategies. How do you be disciplined? Work ethic. We've got so many vocabulary. We've got lessons. We've got anything and everything that I feel is important and relevant as well as a priority for you. And when it comes to introvert entrepreneurship, in general entrepreneurship, the examples, experience, everything is being shared. The thing is, we just have to take an idea and start executing it, because that's the way, Mahi way. Cool. Thank you so much for making this video, me and the topic about a video. Just go make this come true, because this is going to automate your whole process. Cool. Automate your whole courses because it's recorded and then you can start scaling it. So thank you so much for making this video of me and the topic about a video. May peace and blessings be upon you and your loved ones. See you in another video.